What I find really interesting is that while MFA is utilized pretty extensively today, there's limitations in the degree of protection with some of the mechanisms by which these factors may be utilized. And with the recent executive order around increasing the nation's cybersecurity and the resultant OMB memo to federal government agencies to utilize zero trust, they actually call out something called phishing-resistant MFA more than a dozen times within that memo. And it's important to understand because from a commercial business or a federal government, state government standpoint, but also from an individual consumer, understanding that there may be methods by which adversaries could gain access to additional levels of authentication through MFA could compromise those. Many of us install applications on our phones that have to utilize access to the camera, access to files, or access to the SMS application built into the phone. Or we may be compromised through a phishing attack where we actually click on a magic link within the email that may install something on our phone, and now it has access to the SMS application. And if SMS is being used for those one-time codes to access certain applications, the adversary could get access to that and compromise our access to that system or application. So by using some of these higher levels of phishing-resistant multi-factor authentication, like I described with the Microsoft example, we can increase the level of trust and level of assurance. And it's really important for all of us to consider what's the right level of multi-factor authentication use based on the information we're accessing and the information we're trying to protect so that we apply the right levels of trust and security to that information.